I believe this is our ride. Nice. How are you going?
I'm fine, man.
Yeah, making a little video here down the island. What is going on, guys? Trinidad Adventure Seekers here. I know if you're new to this channel, I'm Matt.
And I'm Levi.
And today we're heading down to Monas Island. Got a good friend here, Curt. I can leave his number in the description of the video if you guys need transport heading down the island. So we're gonna have a good time. We're camping down there for one night, so wish us some luck.
No rain!
Wish no rain because we have to make fire. We're gonna try and catch some fish and just have a good time.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
On and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, so we're here at Monas Island. We have to figure out how to carry all our luggage up at the back of the private beach where we will be camping. So yeah, wish us luck. Alright guys, so we camped here once and we're gonna camp again, but this time we're gonna vlog it. Hope you guys like this video. I wish this could go over my neck. Nah, it'll stay there. You want me to hold that? Holy water. We could hold that together actually. Give me the other strap. You good?
No, you hold it.
Why?
I'll hold it.
Now give me it. Hold on to the waters. Gotta figure out how to balance load, guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is gonna be a task. Woo. Good morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you today?
I'm fine.
So, Miss Myrtle is your family, right?
Friend to the family.
Friend to the family. We also stayed at her house, which is like right there. We stayed there last time, but we're not staying there this time. We're going by the beach and we're just gonna camp there for the night with no help. Just us there trying to survive for a night.
Let's go, Bill.
How are you going?
We come to spend a night on the beach.
Nice to see you still strong. Yeah.
I'm just explaining.
Nice to see you.
Okay.
Alright, this is the road to the back beach.
Yeah. Everything was just on time. You know why? Because I get up early.
And because we plan and because our boatman is reliable. As I said, I'll leave his number in the description for you guys.
He's on time as well.
Yeah, our boat guy is the best.
Yeah. And affordable.
Yeah, and we actually met him by Salt Factory Road, which is $15 per person rather than power boats and all these other boat yards that charge $20 per person. Almost reach the beach and then there's another.
Then we have to go climbing.
Yeah, hope this GoPro seeing you properly. It looked like it watching you.
Yeah.
Alright, remember this tractor? We posed and took pictures by this tractor last time. Oh my gosh.
I still want to see the inside of that house.
Oh my gosh.
Stop bouncing into me.
I gotta take a break, hold on.
Oh no.
Oh. Woo! Oh yes. Oh, the beach looks clean. Woo! Excited?
Yes.
Oh, that's the beach, guys. It's the most beautiful private beach here down the islands. Well, in my opinion, epic. We're gonna camp up there because there's a nice wide concrete ledge. It's safer than all the sand camping here because normally when they camp here, there's a lot of sand flies and stuff. As Love is saying, the tide gets high in the night. Did my voice just squeak? We're gonna go and set up stuff up there now, so see you guys there. Whew. My feet is wet now. Great. I'm at the beach. What did I expect? Oh, look at little crab. I'm tired. I'm done already.
Come on.
See how fast I can get up. I forget there's branches to go under. Somebody cleared the branch. The branch I was blocking. Yeah, somebody cleared it. That's so good to see. There was a branch here, right there, that used to block people from passing here. A cumbersome object to get around. somebody cleared it. And here's our camping spot. Ugh. Whew. You alright there? Yeah. A lot more bush has grown here, but look at this sweet spot we have to camp, guys. Right there. And look at this breathtaking view. Woo! So that's where we came from. So we walked along and we came up the bush and we're here.
No.
Oh.
To set up.
Yeah. So when the tide gets high, it can't reach us from up here because we are pretty high up. There's about like 20 feet to that ledge, and then below that is like about another 10 feet. So we're like 30 feet up. But check out this view! Woo! We went and got some stones from the beach last time we camped here, and we're so happy to see that the stones are still here. So we're gonna use these for our fire again.
Oh, I'm tired. So we're gonna set up the stones for the fire and also set up the tent.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you're leaving me hanging.
Oh.
Yeah. Come on, lovey, talk to me. How's the sleeping accommodation looking?
Very comfortable and hot.
I don't want to hear that it's hot. Guys, I sweat way too much. So hopefully in the night it's more cool. So we're gonna attempt some fishing, and the tent set up. Just gotta set up our little fire stones. Gonna do some fishing. Wish us luck. Babe, meet me down there, right? Thank God they cut this branch that was here. You had to duck and literally go underneath. Is that a good coconut? This fell from the tree. Woo. I'm hearing a little bit of water. Probably cut that open and see if there's anything in it. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna try some squid. It's always a good bet. And my bags are running away. There we go. So I'm thinking some tiny hooks, because the fishes here that I've caught aren't that big. I usually like to start with a tentacle. Walk down a bit. Woo. And just like that, that was first cast. Oh, you feel some nibbles. Taking a little break. Love, how are things going?
Good.
You lie, you're bored.
No. Oh my gosh, Matthew running down the bags. Oh my gosh.
My man got away from me, so I collect some firewood in the meantime.
Nice. See new weather. 1 minute it's sunny, next minute it's dark and gloomy. It's weather confusing, yes? But the beach is amazing. What you caught?
An eel.
What?
Yeah.
What? We could eat eel?
What is that?
What the frick? Put it up.
Oh my gosh.
We could eat eel?
I don't know.
I don't want to eat eel. Oh my god. Oh my god!
Damn, what are we supposed to do with that, guys? Oh my gosh.
How do you
He's
eat?
just tangling up all in himself. I think he's choking. Guys, oh my gosh, we might need to cut the line.
Yeah.
Could we eat eel, guys? What
I
is
think
this?
so.
I think this is the moray eel.
I think you could eat eel. I don't want to eat eel though.
Okay, no, neither me. What, you say he just curl it in and out himself?
How you gonna throw that back in?
I'm gonna have to cut the line.
Right.
Alright.
What you doing?
Exploring. Oh, let's just get into this beautiful view. Wow. What's up? So we just got some drinks out here. We just enjoying the view.
Angostura. Rum punch.
Yeah.
Cheers
Cheers.
to Christmas and a great weekend.
Cheers. Nice.
Like this.
Not bad. Just went and got some tinder to start our fire. We got some small twigs, we got some bigger twigs, we got a piece of wood. We scavenged all of this from the beach. Got some more things to light, keep that fire going.
What's he eating?
Kiwi. I thought you could have eaten it with the skin on, with the fuzz on it, but
And you want to eat it with the skin on?
but it kind of was scratchy. Good stuff.
It's an apple now.
Neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
This is so beautiful. But the water is so cool. It's not cold. We will be coming back to Campion Monas Island, so get your tent.
We're going Shaka Shakari next.
We'll see.
For the New Year.
We will see.
Shaka Shakari.
Oh my gosh.
So we just made a quick snack. Cucumbers, onions, avocado, and with some salt. Delicious.
Oh yeah. We forgot your black pepper home. That's alright.
Yum, yum, yum.
We're now about to try and light this fire because as you can see it's very dark here. So I got my knife, I got my flint. We have the tinder and stuff over there. So let's get to it. Oh my gosh, nearly cut myself. Oh, we got fire. Oh.
Fire, baby!
Oh my
No
gosh, that
fire.
didn't work. Okay, let's go again. Take two. Oh yes! We got fire, baby!
Woo! Oh my gosh!
Oh yeah!
Oh my god!
Woo! We got fire! Oh yeah! Woohoo!
Woo!
I was just impressed at how the flint worked. It's tough, you gotta learn the technique. Oh yeah, baby. Woo, this fire is hot. Oh my lord. That marshmallow's gonna get roasted. Marshmallows by the fire. Oh, some of those woods are screaming. Oh, flaming marshmallow. Oh, and that's perfect right there.
Don't get burned, buddy.
That's good stuff right there, guys. We have a cooling rack. It looks like a grill, so it was cheap. It was in the $10 store, so we got it. So let's see if it works. Go on that fire, baby. Woo! Yeah. Oh yeah. Taste this.
Me?
Yeah, you taste this.
Yeah.
Strong?
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
Yeah. Definitely. Sweet is important.
Oh yes, cheers. Okay guys, so that's a wrap for the night. Oh my gosh. We're looking to wrap it up here and take a little nap. and we will see you guys.
So we're gonna sleep.
Well,
Not a
yeah,
nap.
we're gonna sleep and we'll see you guys in the morning. So, peace. Later. You're not gonna block it. You're not gonna like put your hand. Put your hand and end the clip. Have a disco before we sleep. Levy, disco time.
Oh my gosh.
No disco.
Good morning.
Morning.
The tent is hot.
It's very hot.
Last night was cold and painful.
Although we have a couple blankets and a little soft pad, my back is trashed basically.
Thanks to
So, why know nothing?
oh, the sun.
The sun is so, oh my gosh.
Turn your toothbrush on, you know. Why you always turn it sideways?
You know? Well, obviously our fire is dead. We gotta get this guy going again so we can have some breakfast. Tide's coming back in slowly. Should I try to fish again? I don't really want to catch any more eels. I got a better path to cross now. There you little actually, you look like you could pull right out. Nope, I don't want to disturb no termites. I mean tac-tacs. Let me just... You just do that, yeah? Oh, that's good. Nah, that's not good. Some nice small twigs here. Look at the size difference. Really small, fine stuff, bigger twigs. Now to get some bigger ones. I think that's what Love is doing. Where is she? What you doing?
Getting firewood.
Do they crack out? Yep, sounds like it.
So Matthew got a cut on his toe where I told him not to walk, but he went and walked. Anyways, good thing I bought the first aid kit. No, not there. First aid kit.
Yeah, let's see what it's got. Safety first, guys, safety first. It's a tiny little prick, but
Need a plaster.
yeah, little pricks need cuts too. I mean plasters too, you know.
Look the little alcohol pads here.
They have alcohol pad, oh great.
Need a plaster. Look at the little cuts on the door.
Ah, it burns. Safety first, guys. Oh my gosh, my sweat
Why are
is
you
dripping on
sweating
you.
on my foot?
Yeah, guys, so it was a rusted metal thing that cut me. That's why I'm being so careful with this little thing. I don't want to get gangrene.
Don't want to lose your toe, eh?
Nope.
Right.
Need my toe. Found it on the beach. Maybe we can husk it and get some jelly, some sustenance.
Yeah, we kind of low on food now.
Bust that open. Not bad.
I want it.
It's good. You want this?
Here.
Come get it. It has water, guys. It's got water.
And jelly.
You try. It's not bad. It's good. Yeah? I was real lucky to find a coconut because that was the only one on the beach. It fell from quite up there. God provided, guys. God provided.
We're running low on food.
Yeah. Thank you to the Almighty. There we go.
Oh my god.
Pick it up. Woo! We got fire.
Boom boy nearly burned his finger.
Yeah, it happens.
Our water to boil our coffee. Look at our little baby pot we got. So cute. Ah,
Yeah, we got the pot on the fire for the first time. Oh yeah.
so we got our coffee cups from Subway. Haha.
Recycling.
Recycling. And it's also very good to boil coffee, and so we kept it.
Boy.
Oh, it's almost, oh, it's boiling.
It is boiling. Get in there. Get in there. Look at those bubbles, guys. I think our water is just about done. Oh yeah, that's overdone. Good stuff, good stuff. Some nice coffee.
Right.
Totally forgot about that. Watch it. Woo! Just got some firewood, little twine I found on the beach. Got some fresh water.
Got an orange
Sweet.
to make our eggs. Shut up,
Fresh saddle bunny we picked from on the trail here. Yeah,
Smells great.
nature provides. Oh yeah. Refreshing. yeah, baby. Nice. Yummy. Some tuna on the side. I mix my eggs with tuna. That's not gross. If you think it's gross, well, that's you. It tastes amazing. Egg and tuna. Try it. Moment of truth. I just happened to see this on the trail. I don't know if it's any good. It had no holes, which is an indicator that no animals or insects got to it. Looks good so far, to be honest. Slice him and dice him. Looks good. See if it's sweet. I am pouring in sweat, guys. Island life is a lot of work. Okay, I think it's a grafted orange and grapefruit. So you have that little slight bitter taste, but sweet at the same time. How's our food tasting? Good? Time to dig in. Alright, so gonna make some orange and grapefruit infused water. Getting in my vitamin C, also making this water a little more special than just water. You know?
Disgusting.
Refreshing.
Catch anything?
Yeah, just a little tiny fish I'm gonna use for bait. Yeah, sorry to kill him, but I want bait. I always have this suspense look when I'm fishing, huh? Oh, this little guy is too small. We gotta get him back. Let's go take him out.
Uh-oh.
There you go. It's exactly where you're supposed to catch him, in the corner of the mouth. We're fishing, we're catching, but it's a catch and release series because the fishes are too small. He just came off himself.
What you got?
A little bigger guy, but still small.
Oh, this one real purple.
Same type of fish.
Purple is nice.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what is wrong? You nearly tripped.
Yeah, you didn't get on film, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. We're not getting any fishes big enough to eat. Nothing's wrong with fishing for sport. Trinidad is overfished because people always catching all these small fishes and not releasing them. I'm gonna see what this bait is all about. I think it's grunt, so I'm gonna see how it tastes with nothing on it. A little bit of scale there. Fresh.
Moment of truth.
Yeah, it's like sushi. Not bad. 1 gram of protein.
Less.
It tastes good, huh?
That's alright.
Yeah, we could ceviche with that if we got a big one.
No, it's a crap. Oh, God.
A frog? Oh god. Oh, I thought you mean a frog. Look at that. God, that's ugly.
God. Yeah, I hate these things. Why did I catch this? And this is real slime, yeah? I think I could eat it though. That's real cool.
The whole school of fishes is jumping out the water. No, if that bites you.
It's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar.
Okay guys, so we came to the close of this video. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, click the bell to be notified for more videos in the future.
And don't forget guys, we post every Saturday, so look forward for our new videos. We're gonna go on all sorts of different adventures and share it with you guys.
Yes, 2020, more camping coming.
And as always,
Stay safe
and stay adventurous.
Get me out of now. To where we started out.